back to my channel. I am so excited because JUVIA'S Place released duo liquid lipsticks that were metallic as well as matte earlier on in this week. Everybody just lost it, myself included. It's so exciting when they release new collections because it's always different, and that goes for this collection as well. This is the Empress collection, darlings. We have 7 colors, 7 boxes, and they are duos. What do you mean, Fumi, by duos? I mean that you get 2 literally for the price of 1. You're going to have a metallic liquid lipstick as well as a matte liquid lipstick. And guess what, darlings? It is available now. You get an extra 10% off with my discount code. I love it. I'm so excited. And this episode, we are going to swatch every single lipstick in this collection, which comes to what? 14. And each packaging has an Empress princess to go with the motif of the color in the box. This is the packaging. Let me put it down for you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. At the back of it, you have the ingredients. It is cruelty free. It is paraben free as well as vegan. It is distributed by JUVIA'S Place, New Jersey, and like I said before, it is available on their website now. As we open up the package, there you have the 2 liquid lipsticks, and you have a metallic as well as a matte. Right now I'm wearing Candace, but we're going to start from the very beginning, and I'm going to swatch the Candace metallic for you and then the Candace matte, and that's what I'm going to do with all of the lipsticks for you guys. So this is basically just a sit and watch. I might talk a little bit in between. At the end of the episode, I will tell you what I feel about the lipsticks. Do they dry down right away? How do they feel on the lips? Do they crack? Do they crumble? Do my lips feel tight? All of that jazz. So let's get started, my love. Sit back, enjoy, get some girlfriends, get a drink, and let's enjoy the latest collection from JUVIA'S Place. And it's so light. If you guys are looking for a nude, just going to line my lip. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good choice, JUVIA'S. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful, vibrant colors. Oh, really vibrant. Just look. Wow. Wow. The lipsticks are so easy. Oh. Oh, beautiful. chocolate. So guys, those are all of the liquid lipsticks. What can I tell you? There is something here for everybody, for your grandmother, for your mom, for your sister. If you're a corporate girl, if you're a fashionista, if you're going out at night, if you want something really light, you don't want anything too showy, you want something more muted, these colors are amazing. Dare I say, when Kylie Jenner first came out with her collection and everybody wanted that chocolate brown, and somebody like me with a deep complexion, when I got the brown, it didn't give me that punch. It didn't. I had to line my lips a little bit more so that I could have a little bit more depth. This does it. Just look at how gorgeous this chocolate is. It dries down super, super quick. I swatched all 14 colors and I was able to take every one of them off without my lips exploding. They don't chip, they don't crack, they don't tighten my lips at all. I die, I live. I don't know what to say. Ula, my darling.
Is it F.D.V approved?
It is absolutely F.D.V approved. What a treat. Congratulations, JUVIA'S Place, you did it again. The packaging to die for. I absolutely adore these. I love them so very, very much. Don't forget discount code FUMI for extra 10% off. It does not expire. You guys keep on asking me. It doesn't expire. Have it right there in your phone and use it every single time. Until next time, my loves, have a wonderful day and enjoy the Academy Awards. Congratulations to all of the winners and use JUVIA'S Place. Makeup artists, get JUVIA'S Place for the actresses on the red carpet. You're going to be doing yourself a favor. They're gorgeous. Love, love. Mwah. Bye-bye.